Hey, my friend, I trust that you're having an excellent day. I want to talk to you about how every day that you get paid feels like a holiday. That rhymes. Every day that you get paid, it feels like a holiday. This is an instant pay system. You can advertise your business. There's a downline builder, which means that you can put up to, I believe, three or four of your different income streams. And every member that you refer, they'll be able to see the opportunities that you're a part of. Also, every time a member, whether you refer them or not, logs into the website, there are login ads that you can put your ad and you can advertise your products and services because advertising is key. So here's a way for you can have some fun. You can advertise your websites, yes, and you can refer people. And every time that you refer people, because all business owners need advertising, but every time you refer someone, you are in a position to earn 25, 50, 100, and $500. I really like this platform and I like it more so for you. Why? Because you're looking for a way to come out of paycheck to paycheck. You're looking for a way to advertise your business. You're looking for a way to be able to generate instant cash payment. You're looking for something that's global. Not only is it national, but it's global. So you want to receive payments. You can receive payments to your Cash App. You can receive payments to your Wise account. You can receive payments to your Stripe account when people want to pay with debit card and credit card. There's so much. You can receive payments to your PayPal account, right? So I just wanted to introduce this to you. A little bit of background on the company. For years, I had been working this as an affiliate, just like you, and it was only available from like October to January because it was seasonal, just in time for the holidays, right? And we know how we do towards the end of the year. We start wanting to wrap up things, we want to get gifts, we want to do all these different things. And so you have just in time money. Now, what the company has done different than any other time is now they made this announcement in 2024. This is a year-round program. So now you can generate just-in-time money for whatever it is that you want, but you have the feeling and the atmosphere of holiday instant pay. All right. So I really like it. I think we should have fun getting out of debt. I think we should have fun paying for different things. I think we should have fun as it comes to marketing and learning all of these different things. It doesn't have to be a grind. I left the grind culture. I left the hustle culture. And so now we're just operating in ease and flow. And this is a really good system. The last thing that I mentioned to you is the admin, the person that is over this opportunity, over this business, is a good fella. You know, he responds to his email. He's always making things better. And in this time, as we are going about promoting other people's products and services, we do need to know a little bit more about company owners and how they're running things and things of that nature. So, with that being said, I have built a team page for our just in time for the holidays platform. Okay. So I am building a team for this. And what happens is once you go and see how the pay plan works, you'll understand why I'm doing that. It gives me the opportunity to promote you. This is not the end all be all. You do need to, advertise your business and do your referrals and your income producing activities and things of that nature. But this is just an added benefit of me building a team page. And I got this idea from a direct mail residual income team that I'm building in another platform different from this. But I'm building a team page for that, and the people love it. And the reason why I'm building a team page for just in time for holidays for our team is because I know you'll love it. Here's the last thing that I'll mention, and then you click the link in the video description and take a tour and go to the team page and be one of the first few people to join this team. Okay. So the reason why I'm able to promote you versus promoting myself is because when you win, I win. When you succeed in just in time for holidays, I succeed in just in time for holidays. So I don't have to lead with me. I don't have to be number one. You can be number one. Your team member can be number one. So this is a lot of fun. So when you click on the link in the video description, go and understand the pay plan and see how that works. You're going to absolutely love it. And you're going to love the system. It's festive, it's fun, it's energetic, it's upbeat. Okay. So with that being said, check out this holiday instant pay, and I'll see you on the next video. And I'll see you in your email as well. Many blessings.